Hello, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about the special abilities that Japanese people naturally possess. 1. Endurance Nintai-ryoku. In Japanese culture, endurance is considered an important virtue. Throughout history, Japanese people have faced many difficult situations and hardships. As a result, the ability to endure and possess inner strength to overcome challenges has been cultivated. Endurance refers not only to enduring difficult circumstances, but also to the ability to persistently tackle daily life and work with patience and determination. 2. Concentration Shushu-ryoku. The importance of concentration is emphasized in Japan's education system and work environment. Japanese people excel at focusing and directing their attention towards meticulous tasks and research. In schools, they have ample opportunities to engage in long hours of study and exam preparation, which helps develop their concentration skills. Additionally, in fields such as manufacturing and technology, where precision work and attention to detail are crucial, having a high level of concentration is essential. 3. Meticulous attention to detail Komayaka na Chuiryoku. Japanese individuals are known to possess a keen sense of attention to detail. Traditional craftsmanship and the production of intricate goods emphasize the importance of paying close attention to every aspect and meticulously refining them. Moreover, Japanese aesthetics place a high value on sensitivity towards subtle nuances and fine expressions. 4. Cooperation Kyochase. Japanese society places great importance on cooperation and harmonious relationships with others. Being responsible and having a sense of teamwork as a member of a group or organization, and striving for smooth relationship building, are expected. Cooperation is considered essential in various settings such as families, schools, and workplaces. Japanese individuals also exhibit the ability to sensitively understand others' opinions and emotions. 5. High moral consciousness Koi Moraru Ashiki. Japanese people are generally known to have a high level of moral consciousness. They hold ethical values and social rules in high regard, placing importance on consideration for others and displaying good manners. For instance, they prioritize minimizing noise in public spaces, adhering to rules, and avoiding inconveniencing others. Sense of responsibility and honesty are also regarded as important values. How did you find the discussion? If you found this video helpful, I would be delighted if you could click the like button. Also, please consider subscribing to the channel to receive updates on new videos. We are eagerly awaiting your opinions and questions, so please feel free to leave your comments in the comment section. We will continue to deliver various interesting topics in the future, so we invite you to join our channel. Thank you very much.